USD to INR. What is the validity date? So can you just give 01.07.2023? From currency is USD, to currency is INR. And valid from is 01.07.2023. Give the valid from is 01.07.2023 and ratio will be 1:1. Okay, 1 USD is equal to 1 USD into INR, all of you. Okay, the next one is RAJ2. What is the currency for the selling rate? Okay, can you give the USD and to currency is INR? All of you. See, for the customers, there will be a different types of currencies. For the vendors, there will be different types of currencies. See, based on their requirement, we will just adjust all these customizations, okay, in SAP system. And ratio from is 1 and ratio to is 1. Click on the end, the next one, RAJ3, that is for the moving average rate. Moving average rate, USD to INR. 01.07.2023 and the ratio from is 1:1. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, that is very, very important, right, all of you? Good. The next one. So we need to create we need to maintain the exchange rate. So today's exchange rate for the USD is what? Okay, so can you go to the Google and try to find out today's USD rate in Indian currency? Go to the Google, try to find out today's today's USD rate in Indian currency. See here 82.71 Indian rupees. Okay, so roughly we can able to take out 82 rupees. Go to that thing. Go to the transaction code OB08. Go to the transaction code OB08. Okay, can you go to the new entries? Go to the new entries, give your exchange rate. So our buying rate is 82 rupees. Okay, and the valid from is 01.03.2023. 01 dots. Okay, and we do have direct quotation, we don't have any direct quotations and all. And from currency you can just give it. From currency is USD and direct quotation is 82 rupees and to currency is INR. To currency is INR. Okay, so there is a 2. There is a 2. Go to that thing. In the two currencies, INR, same thing. RAJ2 and 0. See, the selling rate will be 84 rupees. USD, that is INR. Selling rate will be 84 rupees. And the next one is 84 plus 82, that is 166 rupees divided by 2. Okay, that is average rate, right? So how much it is? 83 rupees, right? So give the two currency is INR. Okay, Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, the next one is go to that. What is this thing? No exchange rate conversion factors could be found for the currency pair exchange rate type REH1. Okay, because the entry is missing from the appropriate table. Do you want to maintain the table entry? Yes, maintain. One is to one. Save it. Cancel. Maintain the translation ratios USD. Okay, maintain this rate. Direct quotation 84 rupees. Click on the enter. See why you haven't maintained. Cancel this thing. Go to the transaction code OB07. Go to the transaction code OB07. See who has stopped this record, all of you. Double click on this thing. Okay, everything is fine. Come back, go to the transaction code OBBS. Yes. Go to the position and give your exchange rate type. Go to the continue option. 01.07. Okay, we have maintained the things. Okay, go to the transaction code OB08. Everything is fine. Go to the new address. Give the exchange rate. Valid from is 01.07.2023. 01.07.2023. Direct quotation is 82 rupees. Two currency is INR. Click on the enter. Oh, it is now coming. Go to the save button and save it. Enter. No issue. Cancel this thing. Yes. Go to the save button and save it. Now it is fine, right? And maintain REAJ2 01.07.2023 and USD. See, ratio should come, okay, when you have the different types of currencies. Click on the enter. No. First click on the enter. Remove all these things. Remove all these things. Click on the enter. Cancel this thing. Yes. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, don't be in a hurry. I have already told you many times. Give the REJ3 and give the valid from is 01.07.2023 and give the USD. And the next one is direct quotation is 83 rupees. 84 plus 82 rupees is will be 83 rupees. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, then next, what is the next thing that we have? Don't close the record. Okay, I will see the things who has stopped this records and after some time. Okay, and go to the create accounting principles, and we need to create the accounting principles. Okay, why we need to create the accounting principle in SAP? All of you, I mean for the um, foreign currency revaluation. Any idea about the accounting principles? See, these accounting principles are the rules, first of all, for regular or legal accounting and financial statements. Okay, and whatever the things that we have, those things will be governed. Okay, how companies record and report their financial data based on the accounting principles. You got my point? So go to the SPR for reference IMG. Go to the SPRO. Give session. Go to the SPRO and reference IMG and financial accounting new. Financial accounting new. Ledgers. General ledger accounting new. No. Directly you will going to have ledgers. Financial accounting global settings new. Financial accounting global settings new. Ledgers. And the next one is parallel accounting. Define accounting principles. Okay, so go to the new entries and give your accounting principles. See, basically in SFS system, we used to have the one general accounting principle, that is GAAP. But the thing is that when they have done the customizations, I mean, when they have improved the versions of the accounting principles and all, we can able to have number of accounting principles on our company code. That is very important based on the ledgers. Okay, so accounting principle will be anything like RAJ1. Just give RAJ1. Accounting principle for company code. Just give it. Accounting principle for company code. Accounting principle for company code. Accounting principle for company code. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Then next, come back. And what is the next configuration that we have? Assign accounting principle to the ledger group. Why? Because see, whatever the GL accounts that you are maintaining and whatever the records that you are generating, okay, so based on that only, based on which thing only you are generating the things, based on the ledger group only, right? So that is the important thing right now we have. Can you go to the transaction code, not the transaction code, go to that navigation path, come back, and you will going to have assign accounting principle to the ledger group. Assign accounting principle to the ledger group. Okay, go to the new entries and take out your accounting principle that you have created the minutes back, and give the target ledger group will be, go to the drop down option. See, you will going to have the ledgers in ECC also, all of you. Okay, so that is 0L, that is leading ledger. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Why we need to assign the ledger to the accounting principle, right, all of you, to get the financial data for the particular company codes or in the uh, particular year. Automatically, when we have the accounting principles, then only it governs the target ledger group, first of all. So based on that thing only you can able to find out the reports. Otherwise you cannot, right? Okay, so I mean after the configuration things and all, we can able to find out each and every point. Okay, that is the important thing. Go to the save button and save it. Okay. So the next one is define valuation methods. Okay, we need to define valuation method. How you can evaluate the foreign currency valuation is very, very important, right? In SAP system. So that is fine. You need to have valuation methods first of all. So to give the valuation methods and all, we need to have the navigation path, SAP SPRO reference IMG. Same thing, come back. Financial accounting new, and the next one is close this financial accounting global settings new and open the general ledger accounting new. General ledger accounting new, and the next one is periodic postings or periodic processings that we have. Okay, then next one is what do we have? I think so. Evaluate. Go to the evaluate and define valuation methods. Yes. Define valuation methods. Go to the new entries. Go to the new entries. Okay, you can just give the valuation method. Valuation method will be RAJ1. Same thing. That is your choice, whatever the things that you want to give. Valuation method will be RAJ1 and description will be RAJ1 valuation method. RAJ1 valuation method. See, when it comes to the valuation processes, every time you should take out the always evaluate based on the valuation methods. You can evaluate the foreign currency valuation reports. Okay, so we no need to tick mark on the group of vendors, group of customers, real valuation groups and all. Okay, we just take out the things that we have for the valuation types and all. Okay, so I mean you can able to give the group of vendors and group of customers and GL valuation groups and all. That is your choice. Okay, you can just tick mark on the group of vendors, group of customers and GL valuation group if the requirement is okay with the client. Okay, no, don't remove this. If the requirement is okay with the client, then only we can able to give it, or else it will be related to the each and every vendor, customers and valuation group, right? GL. So in the document type, you can just take out the for this class we will just take out the document type as SA, that is general ledger document. Why? Because we will estimate the first we estimate the things for the any salaries accounts, any rents accounts or any administrative costs accounts and all. Okay, first we will estimate it, then we will move to this vendors and as well as the customers. You got my point, right, all of you? And exchange rate type for debit balance is just give anything like valuation method RAN1, that is buying rate. Exchange rate type for credit balance is also same RAN1, and we need to determine each and every exchange rate for the particular valuation methods. Okay, so click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, good. So go to the time dependent attributes. Why we need to use this time dependent attributes, all of you? Why? Because based on the physical year starting from and the physical year time unit and description valuation processor, we can able to give it. See, why we are not giving the fiscal year starting from and all automatically. This valuation is particularly related to the one exchange rate things, and all these exchange rates are particularly related to the accounting principle, and this accounting principle is assigned to the leading ledger. So leading ledger is particularly assigned to the company code, and company code will estimate the Physical year. What is your physical year that you have created? I mean physical year variant that you have created. Automatically it will go into estimator. Okay, no need to create starting from and on. Already we have physical year entries that we can call it as a physical year variance. Okay, come back. No issue. So we have created the valuation method that is RAJ1. Come back. RAJ1. Yes. Come back, no issue. And what is the next configuration? Show me the next configuration. So define valuation areas to evaluate the report of the foreign currency revaluation for vendors as well as the customers. We need to have the valuation areas, right? So go to the valuation area. Yes, go to the SAP system and go to the valuation area. Yes, go to the new entries. Give the valuation, any valuation. That is your choice. Give the valuation and give the valuation method that you have created earlier. Okay, the next one is currency type. What is the valuation method that you have created? RAJ1. Good. And the next one is currency types. So this currency type, we have different types of currency types, all of you. Group currency will be there, and if you have maintained different types of currencies like USD, GBP, and pounds, whatever it may be. Okay, so we are maintaining our own company code currency, right? That is INR. So in the company code currency, we can able to take out the company code currency. Take out the company code currency, no issue. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Yes. Then next one. Come back. No. Go to this Word document. The next one is assign valuation areas to the accounting principle. Why we need to assign this valuation areas to the accounting? Why? Because just try to understand the point. To generate the reports that is particularly assigned to the leading ledgers, we need to have the accounting principle with valuation areas. Go to this navigation path. Come back, and we have the thing. Assign valuation areas to the accounting principles. Okay, go to the new entries and assign this valuation area. And the next one is accounting principle. Give the accounting principle. You have created the RAJ1, right? Take out that principle. Continue. Go to the save button and save it. Then next, what is the next configuration that we have? Okay, right. So assign an extension different key for the automatic account determinations. There is no issue. Okay. So all of you, I will going to stop this recording.